Hello dancers, my name is Sherwin. Thank you very much for coming here to my channel to learn this line dance called Take Me to the Beach. It is a 32 count low intermediate, 2 restarts, 1 tag, 2 walls, and it has 4 choreographers, and so that I don't forget anybody, I wrote them down. We've got Debbie Rushton, Gregory Danvoy, I know I'm mispronouncing these, Mike Liadou, and Young Richard. Those are your choreographers, and I'm going to turn around. This is Scully laying in the middle of the floor, and I may have to ask him to leave at some point, so I'm going to get started here. Okay, so starting on this right foot, you're actually going to be stepping to the side, but letting your body turn a quarter and rock back. And as you do so, your right hand is going to be at your chest and push out. So you do this. You're going to go 1. You're going to rock back to the center onto your left foot. 2, taking a nice sailor step with a quarter turn, behind, out, forward into a lock section, which is going to look like this. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And that's moving slightly diagonally front. The counts on that lock will be 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So let's do those 2 8s together. Right foot goes a 1, 2, sailor, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Second count of 8, you're going to take your right foot over here, 1 and step back. 2 on your left, making a quarter turn. Take a side shuffle. Step, together, step. You're still at 6 o'clock. Take your left foot forward. Do a swivel, swivel, swivel. Your weight's now on your right. 2 steps back. Left foot, right foot, clap, clap. Now the choreographers do this little brush on the clap. The step sheet just says clap, clap. But this is what they do, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over this again, of course. I'm going to show you how the counts work. So you're stepping your right foot forward, back, side shuffle, 3 and 4. Touch it forward, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Your feet are slightly apart. I'll show it to you from this wall, so it'll get me to the front. So it would be right 1, back 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Hopefully that helped a little bit. I'm going to go back to the beginning. We'll put it together. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We step 1, rock, 2, sailor, 3 and 4. Lock, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Right 1, left back, 2, chasse, 3 and 4. Swivel, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? All right. Third section. So you're here, you're going to stay here for the first part of it. The rhythm is like a Dorothy rhythm. It's going to be 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. You take your right foot over on 1. Then this moves diagonally back. You're going to step left, right. Oop, I did that wrong. You're going to go right, left, right. Right foot goes out. Sorry about that. And you do the same thing on this side. Over, diagonal, slight diagonal back. Okay, so this is what that looks like. It goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Now the right foot's going to step forward. You're going to do a little hip push as you do that. Push, push it back, push, stepping forward again with your push, and turn a quarter, putting all your weight on your left as you follow your left shoulder. And that's an even count. So the little push step just goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this count of 8, I'll turn it for you in a minute. The right foot goes over 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Watching at this wall, right foot will go over 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So I'm going to finish the dance off, then we'll put it all together. So you've just done your left foot over, yeah? You're at 9 o'clock, you're on your left foot. The last count of 8, you're going to cross over, step right foot over, left foot out, setting yourself up for a nice sailor step where you cross behind, open, open. Now another triple rhythm, we're going to go over and back. Cross over, and when you go back, don't weight it, just put your toes on it. So it looks like this. You have the over for this. 1, 2, the sailor is 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Left toe. Yeah, and I have a nice cross there because I'm going to have to unwind in 2 steps to get to the back wall. First thing I'm going to do is on the and, I'm going to rotate a quarter, lifting my heels, and then I'm going to drop them down, and I'm going to rotate, turn a quarter, and drop them down. Now I can tell you it's pretty hard to drop them both down on that one because you need to finish it on your left foot. But that's the idea, is you drop, but your right foot's going to come right back up. Why? Because that's the beginning of the dance. So let's talk about that again. So after we have this, we have cross, open, sailor step, over and back, turn, drop, turn, drop. So you turn on the and then you drop on 7, and you turn on the and you drop on 8. Your weight is on your left foot, and you start it again. All right, I'll do that kind of 8 one more time, and then we'll put it together. So here we go, that kind of 8 goes 1, 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We go 1 and start the dance again at 6 o'clock, okay? So I'm gonna go back to the beginning, and yeah, we'll just do it from the top. We'll try to do it at both walls, and I'll try not to step on my dog. Again, 5, 6, 7, here we go. We have 1, 2, sailor, 3 and 4, locking 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Right, left, chassé, right, left, right, step, swivel, swivel, a back, 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 back. I did not count that very well, but I'll keep going. Sorry about that. 7, 8. You have 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, cross, 1, 2, sailor, 3 and 4, a 5 and 6, half, 7, quarter, 8. We have 1, 2, a 3 and 4, lock at 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. A 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, push it, 5, 6, quarter turn, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry, I can't even do this. Really? Sorry. Last count of 8 was 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, half, 7 and 8, 1. Really? That was really good timing, Scully. Okay, so there is actually, as I said, 2 restarts. And the restarts happen after you do the first 2 counts of 8. They happen after wall 2 and wall 6. So you'll be here during wall 2. You'll dance 2 counts of 8. So the first count of 8 will start to move you, right? Because you'll do the first part here, which will get you to this side of the wall after you do your bum, bum, bum. That's your first count of 8. Then you do your second count of 8, which will bring you to here into your swivels. Okay, so this then is wall 3, wall 4, wall 5, wall 6, same thing, exactly the same way, same timing. Now there is a tag that happens at the end of wall 8. Wall 8 is here, but it's at the end, so you'll be facing here. So one thing you can remember, 2, 6, 8, all of the changes, whether it be the 2 restarts or the tag, they all happen at 12 o'clock, which is kind of helpful a little bit so you know you're at the right place or not. The tag is very fast. It's just an 8 count tag. And all you're going to do is take your right foot. You're going to come slightly forward, out, out, in, heel, step, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and hit it. Okay? That is the tag. Out, 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 in, heel, and boom. And then you go. And you will take it from the beginning. And so I think the only thing left for us to do is to go ahead and do this with a little music. Okay? We got in a move. 5, 6, All right, so when I called the tag coming out, I messed up my feet because I was talking and dancing and they didn't go together. So we fixed it. One thing too is that there's multiple versions of the song with Imagine Dragons. This one is featuring Sean, yes, oh wait, Baker Boy, that's what it is, Baker Boy. So I think there are 3 versions, and they are different, and I can tell you that for sure because when I was practicing it before, I had the wrong version and I couldn't figure out the restarts. Why was I wrong? Different version. So make sure you get the right one. And Skelly and I thank you for coming to see us and to learn another dance. I appreciate it a lot. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and like the video. Feel free to share it and make comments. I love that. And as always, I put the step sheet for the dance in the description underneath, so you can reference that if you'd like. And yeah, I guess that's it. If you're in Los Angeles, look me up. I would love to dance with you. I teach at different venues here, Borderline, Cowboy Palace, and some others. So give me a shout out. And meanwhile, I'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks for coming.